we are running into trouble now, right, is the levels of violence, the levels of anger that you're seeing in India.
Right.
And this, to me, this is central. The idea of India that Gandhiji envisioned was an India where everybody felt they had a home, everybody felt comfortable, regardless of religion, regardless of community, regardless of state. If we can take our skills, which are basically old traditional networks, and connect them to finance and to technology, you will get a complete transformation of Indian manufacturing. It won't look like China. It won't look like 50,000 man factories. But it'll be entrepreneur-led, it'll be small and medium business-led, but it'll be transformational. I do think healthcare is a tremendous opportunity. Healthcare in the 21st century is basically data. So, what are the important pieces? Diagnostics, records of people, past records of people, DNA. These are the type of things. And on every single one of these, India has a scale that nobody can compare with, except the Chinese. So you have to reorient yourself from the 20th century where you were drawing these lines and saying, okay, this is the West and this is the East and this is the North and this is the South and this is the poor and this is the rich. And you got to, those lines will get blurred. And you got to think along this new paradigm.